The circular flow diagram is a very important concept in economics, in classical economics. So here we are going to take a look at what we mean by the product market. Just to let you know, the product market is a market where you sell your goods and services. What are factor markets? This is where you sell factors of production or you sell resources. What is the goods and service flow? What is the income flow? What is the circular flow model? So you are just putting this together to have your circular flow model, and in between you have the different factors of production. So let's rapidly take a look. What are product markets? Product markets are the markets for consumer goods and services. So you as a consumer, when you go to buy your goods and services, you are going to the product market. And generally, households are buyers, firms are sellers. Households buy the goods and services that firms produce. On the other hand, factor markets or input markets are the markets in which households sell the use of their inputs. So generally, households are the ones who have factors of production. They sell it to firms, firms buy it. Now, when we talk of the circular flow model of income and output, it is simply an illustration of the continuous flow of goods, services, inputs, and payments between firms and households. We are going to see all this blah, blah, blah graphically, and it's going to make sense. So generally in an economy, we assume we have firms. Firms produce goods and services. Households own the factors of production. So firms, when they produce goods and services, they take it to the factor market. Actually, when firms produce goods and services, they take it to the product market. They sell their goods and services at the product market, and they come back with revenue. Now, in order to produce goods and services, you need factors of production. So they go to the factor market, they pay for factors of production, and they bring it back to produce goods and services. On the other hand, households need goods and services. So they go to the product market, they buy goods and services, they bring it home for consumption. So they spend and they bring back goods and services. Now, how do they get the money to spend? They need to sell their abilities or their factors of production at the factor market, and they bring back money. So they go and sell factors of production at the factor market, bring income home, use the income to buy goods and services, bring back the goods and services home, and have a great time. Firms, they need to produce goods and services. They take the money to the market, buy factors of production, bring back factors, go and sell goods and services at the product market, and bring back revenue. So you can see that revenue is flowing. This is the cycle of revenue, and this is the flow of goods and services. Goods and services flow, factors flow. Here you have wages, rent, interest, profit flow, money flows, spending, and so on. So that's just the idea behind the circular flow diagram. That's it.